Today's video is going to be a little bit shorter than normal. Since I'm getting to the end, there's just bits and bobs that I need to replace. So today I'm going to replace the drain for the bottom of the windshield. See through all of these flowers, most of it's fine, but the end here where the water's actually draining through has this huge hole in it, and I want everything to be nice, so I'm going to replace the whole piece. Alright, now that the old one's off, here's the new one, and we're going to get this on. Alright, that's it for this video. Again, a bit of a shorter video, but everything's finally coming together and we're almost done. Just a few more finishing touches and it can be on the road.